Hey guys, it's lunchtime again. Today it's the crispy chicken and cheese Crispito. I don't remember what it's actually called, but that's the gist of it. It's kind of like a flat taquito, and it's real crispy. Watch. Whoa. And kind of greasy, not gonna lie. But we'll dip that in real quick because it comes with white cheese sauce. They're killing it with this one. This one's good. It's a little beany for me, but it's good. Up next, you want to know what's going to be too beany for me? Refried beans. Look. Okay, it's beans. Nothing special. Next we have some pineapple. People were walking by and I needed to pause. Here's the pineapple. Delicious. It's so good. So tasty. And next we have apple juice. Apple juice. Apple juice. My mommy says apple juice isn't healthy. Delicious. So unhealthy and so tasty. Anyways, that's all guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, update about yesterday's lunch. It wasn't good. I thought it was. It wasn't. I kept eating it and it was not great. Calzones. They weren't great. But redemption. I didn't like it, but yeah, I was not a fan. A lot of people liked it apparently. Not for me. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. It got quiet. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Ring that bell. And I'll see you tomorrow. Deuces.